It's a fantastic. The crowd was beautiful. और जो लोग अपने environment के बारे में सोच रहे हैं बहुत कम लोग हैं in terms of the percentage. But ऐसे लोगों की सख्त ज़रूरत है क्योंकि मदर टेरेसा तो एक ही थी लेकिन she affected so many people. So the more number of people, the more number of Mother Teresas we have. When it comes to environment, we need people to actually think about the environment and see that it's not just about leaving a better future for our children, but also to be able to live out our lives also in a better way. So we can't keep consuming and destroying and you know cutting down mountains. We are affecting the entire ecosystem of the planet, and somewhere this awareness is important. So of course, for us, it's about doing what we do, but aligning with good causes is always something that we are most happy and we are most honored to do. See, primarily what happens is we may be an entertainment act, but as the band and the kind of music that we make, uh, we don't do things which are uh, meaningless. We don't just talk about uh, love or anything which is constantly we're not looking at creating music or content which is great to sell. You know, we want to do something which we are proud of even 10 years later or 20 years later. So that's always been our primary focus, that we don't want to cringe at our own music when we make it. And uh, and when it comes to aligning with people here today in Bhubaneswar and the kind of crowd that was there, uh, they're thinking a lot. And I would like to say that I would like to think that our music is also somewhere around there, where we are not just talking about stupid things and, trying to make hit songs. So that attempt has always been there. So I think it was a great collab actually to come here and do the show. So basically, we are on stage four members. Each one of us do multiple roles. Uh, but our lead role, so my lead role is to play the guitar. I also do backing vocals. I do some stuff around there. Uh, Mohan's lead role is to sing the song. So, and out of four people, if one is missing, it's 25% of your labor force is gone. So nobody can survive with that. So yesterday when this happened, and we were still hoping that somehow he'll manage to make it for the show and go back, but it didn't happen, and we didn't feel like pushing him also to do that. So the next possible option was who can sing, because most of the songs that we do they have a lot of gaiki. There's a lot of Indian murkis and all of that, uh, which I can't do, nor can Chirayu. But Rishi, our drummer, he's a very talented. He comes from a very big Hindustani family. Is He's the only one in our band who has won a Filmfare Award as a music composer, by the way. So he's an extremely talented person. He's not just a drummer. He sings beautifully. This was not his genre to sing. He's got a very soft melodic voice, and to sing something like Sadore, which is all projection, and the kind of arrangements that we have, a lot of rock guitar influence and loud drums, and so this was not his place, but he managed today. I mean, he pulled it off. And also, what happened was we couldn't have played for more than half an hour, 40 minutes, because most of our songs require a certain style of singing, which only Mohan can do. So that's why I sang the song which I normally sing on stage. Chirayu sang the song which he sings on stage. So that's how we broke it up. But we needed a 2-hour show, and that couldn't have been. I'll hold. that couldn't have been done just by us. So that's why I requested my friends from Kabir Cafe to come, and extremely gracious of them. I called them at 12:30 in the night, and his first response was, yes, let me speak to the rest of the band. And they called everyone. Their bass player wasn't available, but they still landed up. They caught the early morning flight. Their harmonium player was in Alibag, which was 5 hours away from Mumbai. So Rajat, their manager, he drove down from Mumbai just to pick him up because there was no way of getting any transport from Alibag to Bombay. He drove down, picked him up at 2 o'clock in the morning and brought him back to the airport. Both of them, poor fellows, haven't slept. But it was, I find myself very, very fortunate that, I called for help, and people like this, are gracious enough to help us out in this situation.
At least to me. So I always have a good time in Odisha. So yeah, it's always a wonderful experience being here, man. Odisha mein aana is always a very warm experience, all right. Right from entering the state to the people to the food, I enjoy the food in Odisha. Like a lot of my very very close friends are from Odisha, so they always recommend me some nice places to go and eat. And when it comes to today's event, the Dharitri Youth Conclave, the organizers were so welcoming and they were so warm to us. And we ran into a little bit of a very 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 personal situation. लेकिन उन्होंने make sure किया कि हमें कोई कठिनाई और भी ज़्यादा कठिनाई ना हो. तो हमने काफ़ी एंजॉय किया यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करना. एंड हमारे साथ कबीर कैफ़े भी थे, तो उन्होंने भी काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. दे ओपन फॉर अग्नि टुनाइट एंड अग्नि, well, without Mohan we are not exactly Agni, but we still tried to be. And we played a few tunes, and the audience, they were wonderful. Like, it's the youth conclave, sorry. And all the people in that auditorium right across the podium, they were so wonderful. That was a brilliant audience. So we were missing Mohan और भी ज़्यादा. तो बस यही है कि हम यही चाहते थे कि मोहन भी हमारे साथ हो सकता था आज, लेकिन वो नहीं आ पाए. But I hope the students who were attending this concert had a good time just like we did. मेरे को ओडिशा का सी फूड बहुत पसंद है. Like, personally, I love the prawns and pomfret preparations here. So a very dear friend of mine just sent me a recommendation last evening. But they also said ki, you should just wait till we come here together and we will go to that place together. So yeah, खाना पीना तो बहुत अच्छा है. And thankfully अभी November है, तो weather भी बहुत अच्छा है. And the people have always been warm and kind to